Hello everyone, welcome to Techavro. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to set up a fingerprint lock on your Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Techavro. So let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down. Press on security. Here you can see the option of fingerprint. You have to press on this. Now confirm your pattern or password. Here you can see the option of fingerprint list. Now here you can see add fingerprint. Start your enrollment. Press on done. That's it. You can add here at least 5 fingerprints. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.